In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the unique offerings of three popular code editors: Visual Studio Code, Cursor, and Windsurf. We'll explore what each editor brings to the table, their strengths, weaknesses, and who they're best suited for, particularly as we look forward to 2025. Let's start by diving into Visual Studio Code, affectionately known as VS Code, which is developed by Microsoft. This editor has gained a remarkable reputation due to its substantial ecosystem of extensions and its robust community support. Recently, VS Code has introduced a compelling feature: the full agent mode. This mode allows AI agents to autonomously edit files, execute commands, and even monitor results directly through the chat view. It supports an innovative concept of using a plan agent alongside sub-agents, allowing you to break down, delegate, and manage tasks efficiently. With broad compatibility, nearly any programming language, debugging tool, or version control system is supported, making it a truly versatile editor. However, because it's a general-purpose editor, configuring its AI functionalities might require some initial setup and might not offer the same specialized feel as more AI-focused IDEs. If you appreciate a robust, all-purpose editor complete with AI features and thrive in an extendable ecosystem, VS Code is a fantastic choice for you. Next up, let's talk about Cursor, an AI-powered code editor built on the foundations of VS Code by Anysphere. Cursor is specifically designed for what's been termed vibe coding and comes packed with advanced AI features. Users particularly appreciate its highly efficient autocomplete and code generation capabilities, which are ideal for smaller, solo workflows. If you're a developer who prioritizes AI-driven productivity, you'll find Cursor exceptionally useful for tasks like refactoring, generating large code snippets, and quick prototyping. That said, it's worth noting that some users have pointed out Cursor's context awareness doesn't quite meet the benchmark set by competitors when handling very large or complex code bases, particularly in team workflows. Unlike VS Code, Cursor isn't a generic editor, which could impact its extension options or flexibility. Additionally, pricing and subscription models may factor into your decision depending on your needs. Cursor is an excellent fit for solo developers or small teams eager to embark on AI-assisted projects, making it especially appealing for prototyping and startups. Finally, let's look at Windsurf, often seen as an AI-first IDE. Windsurf excels in delivering deep context awareness, whether you're working with multiple files or entire projects, and it emphasizes workflow-oriented features like Cascade. Newer developers frequently find Windsurf intuitive as it minimizes setup friction. It shines in detecting cross-file dependencies, which is particularly beneficial for large systems where understanding project context is crucial. However, some users have experienced latency during high-speed sessions, a trade-off to its dedication to comprehensive context awareness. You'll also need to consider its pricing, integrations, and team features. Windsurf is most advantageous for those dealing with medium to large code bases who appreciate comprehensive project context and want a smooth AI-first experience with minimal configuration. In summary, if you're a student or beginner experimenting with smaller projects, I'd recommend starting with VS Code for its flexibility and extensive growth potential. If you're aiming for rapid AI first coding with minimal distractions, especially for prototyping, consider Cursor. For larger projects where detailed context and AI workflows are essential, Windsurf could be your go-to choice. You could also explore the strategic use of combos, employing VS Code for general tasks and deploying Cursor or Windsurf for elements of your project that require robust AI assistance. Given your capstone project involves advanced monitoring systems, opting for a combination of VS Code